Get the best out of the 2N solution for residential. 2N is the only company that offers comprehensive solutions that cover security for main entrances, access control for garages, communication with visitors, security for common spaces and buildings, remote configuration of all installed products. 2N offers a portfolio of 7 different IP intercoms. The ideal choice for multi-dwelling units is the modular 2N IP Verso Intercom, which provides not only connections between reception and residence, but also a means of access control for a building. The latest Bluetooth Intercom module pairs with the 2N mobile key application in a resident's phone and, in accordance with the preset access mode, allows access. An alternative to the 2N IP Verso is the most durable intercom on the market, the 2N IP Force. The elegantly designed units, available in 2 colors, serve for both audio and video communication between visitors and reception, or between tenants in apartments. The 2N Indoor Talk is a practical and aesthetically appealing solution. The unique installation box is common to the 2N Indoor Talk and the 2N Indoor Compact audio-video unit. Connection through a UTP cable and configuration over a web interface guarantee the ease and speed with which the units can be operational. Users value the minimalist design, the 4.3-inch color display, and intuitive controls. The 2N Indoor Touch 2.0 is a multifunctional communicator that can be linked to third-party applications for controlling home automation systems. The unit's luxury design is underlined by the number of awards won. The unique 2N mobile video cloud service can handle calls from an intercom even when a resident is outside his or her home. Modern and secure access technology for amenities in a building is provided by 2N Access Unit's 2.0 products. They are based on IP technology and combine the functionality of a traditional controller and edge device in a single unit. All the access systems can be interlinked and share authorization setup, e.g. with a preset selection of floors in the lift. 2N, in cooperation with Access, offers secure emergency communication in a lift, including an image from the cabin. The My2N professional cloud platform provides unique and modern services for 21st century integrators. Remote administration and online monitoring of all 2N devices, as well as the option of creating multiple sites at the same time, guarantee the easy and flexible maintenance of IP intercoms, access systems, and the corresponding units over time. 2N products use standard protocols, thanks to which they can be integrated with third-party systems. Creating the future in letting people in and up. Smart, safe, innovative.